Okay, so we're down here in Leighton in East London. This is another project we started last week. So what we've done so far in this project is removed all of the render on the front of the property. So we removed the render. Underneath the render there was another layer of Pebbledash. All of the piers were had EML attached to them as well, screwed and pinned to there. So this has been a real hard cut out so far. It's going to be a lot of bricks to replace on here. All of the piers are badly damaged. You can see where the windows are fitted to the original, not to the original, sorry, to the Pebbledash and render. So we're going to have to retrim all of these windows with UPVC trim when we get around to restoring all of the brickwork. So we're going to start sanding everything down today, seeing what we can save and what we can't save, and make a plan of action from there. So I'll just show you upstairs. But even around the front door, everything is in real bad condition on this one, so there's going to be a hell of a lot of bricks to replace on this property. So let me show you upstairs. So up on the first lift, it's the same sort of thing again. Really badly damaged brick piers here, so we're going to have to see if we can either cut these out individually. Everything's got to be propped up structurally before we can even think about taking these down. So we're going to sand everything back and then we'll make a decision on that. But all of the bricks all the way through there as well, we're going to either restoring and replacing. All the London stock brickwork, not too bad, just the normal Pebbledash removal stuff. But yeah, the soft red bricks on here are in real bad condition. So yeah, this is going to keep the lads busy over till Christmas. A lot of them are working over Christmas, so it's not the end of the world. Up on the top floor, taking all of the Pebbledash and render off of the top floor and the gable. Got a real cheap multi-brick up here. Just looks really hot, really horrible. Absolutely rock hard. Rebuilt in sand and cement, so I think we're going to have to re-render this. It's just not cost effective to spend another day, 2 days cutting all of this out. As I say, it's rock solid and it's not the original brick like next door anyway, so I'll speak to the client now, talk about maybe doing just a render on that and everything else back to brick. Then it returns around the side here. So yeah, this is a challenging job. Like I say, it's going to keep the lads busy now right over to Christmas and into the new year, so not the worst time of year to be having a job like this. We're really busy anyway, but like I say, it is what it is. We'll just get on with it and keep cracking away as we always do. So yeah, all the stonework will be done on this project as well. Got to speak to the customer this morning and see what he wants to do with the stonework, whether he wants a full burn off or just wants to rub down and paint, or back to natural stone. So I will have a discussion with him this morning and then we'll make a plan from there. So yeah, this is just one of many projects we are working on at the moment. Got another one over in Peckham, another one in Plumstead, one just finished in Sidcup, one just finished in Dulwich. So yeah, this is the last week now till Christmas, so let's see what we can do on this last week, and then I'm away on holiday next week, so I'll be back early January, and then I'll see how the boys have been getting on over here and hopefully have some progress to show you from there. So as always, if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. Okay, we are back. Before I get the camera out and make a video, it's been a while since we've posted anything, so yep, we are down here in Leighton. This is a project we was working on before Christmas. So January, normally what we do is get all our preparation work done. It's really cold in January, so we don't really do a lot of pointing. So we haven't had much to showcase at the moment. It's all cutting out, prepping, getting the paint off the stonework, cleaning all brickwork, like I say, getting everything prepped for February, so when hopefully it warms up a little bit more, we can get the ball underway with the pointing and stuff. So this, like I say, this is a project we worked on before Christmas. It was a Pebbledash removal job. Replaced about 210 bricks on here. It's all been repointed so far, and we started today getting all the paint off all of the stonework. There's going to be quite a few stone repairs to do on here as well. So I'm going to spin the camera around and I'll give you a walk through and show you what we've been getting up to. Okay, so let me just give you a walkthrough and show you everything we're doing on this project. So like I say, we removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork. I will show you some, there is some before videos of this that will follow on from this video. So we had render on top of Pebbledash on this job, all EML sheeting all on the piers. So it was a real hard removal. So the old original Pebbledash came out to that thickness there, so well over an inch thick. So that's where the old painting stopped there. So we are now getting all this paint off. So everything's been done in a penny roll finish. So I'll just give you a little close up of that. So there you get to see it all on the London stock brickwork as always, and then on the soft red brickwork. So a bit dusty this today, getting all of the first layers of paint off. So let me show you upstairs and show you what it looks like upstairs. So all this paint I've been stripping off today, getting everything back to the original stone, and then rubbing everything down, getting all these profiles nice and sharp. So once again, a very thorough job, no corners cut, everything's always done to perfection, as you know. So yeah, like I say, all this paint coming off now, then we'll start honing in all of these profiles, getting all that nice and sharp. But there again, you can see the quality of the pointing. Again, I'm going to start explaining a lot of detail this year for customers, what they should be looking for on these pointing jobs, because again, there's a lot of this penny roll flying around on social media now. The lines are not even straight. The backing water's completely wrong colour. So I'm trying to educate a lot of people this year on what a good job is and what a bad job is. It's the same with the pointing on the London stock brick. So much bad, even the flush pointing we're seeing now is just done such bad. It's just terrible. Like I say, the flush point has not even been done to a high standard on a lot of these jobs. They're taking the Pebbledash, throwing in the flush points in, and it just looks dog rough. So I'm going to try and let my customers, followers know what to be looking at for this year on these projects to spot a good job from a bad job, because a lot of people unfortunately are not educated in this, so they all think pointing is pointing. I was chatting to a top pointer, one of my friends on Instagram last night, and he was saying the same thing. Some of the, excuse my French, shit that he's seeing on Instagram these days is just absolute terrible. So frustrating for customers to pay good money and they're just getting this horrible flush all over the place. So yeah, we're back. I'm going to try and get the old camera back out. I have been videoing quite a lot of other jobs, but like I say, just been so busy and a chance to get much filming done. So we've rendered all of this, and then we're going to do some nice banding through here. Not sure if anyone else has got that across the road. Let me have a look. No, customer's seen something further down the road he wants done, so we'll do some decorative panelling through there, and then it'll be rubbing down all of this woodwork, getting all of that prepped. But yeah, so far so good today. Made some quite good progress, and then I've got another 2 lads coming over tomorrow. Got quite a few other jobs on the go. One in Sidcup started today, another one in Dulwich all been finished, another one in Plumstead just been finished, bit more painting to do over there. I've got one starting down in Rochester tomorrow, massive big job down there, and there's probably a lot more that scaffolds are up there. I can't remember at the moment. So this is what we've been getting up to before Christmas, and now back here. So like I say, January is always prep month, getting everything prepped, ready for that slightly warmer weather, so we can get the old pointing underway. So as always, if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. Welcome back to another finished project. This time we're down here in Leighton in East London. So if you scroll back to all our previous videos, you'll see this house before we started all the restoration work. So what we did was removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. It was rendered, then Pebbledashed over the top of that. So it was a very hard, challenging project to remove all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork. Then we cut out, replaced all of the damaged bricks, as always with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'll give you a little close up and show you how everything looks. You can see on the London stock brickwork, the penny wheel pointing on there. Always lovely finish to the London stock brickwork. And then on the red columns coming down the building there, got the penny wheel pointing on there. Then what else we did was burnt all of the paint off all of the stonework. So stripped back every single bit of paint off all the stonework. Then we've honed in all of the stonework, got it all repaired, filled all of the stonework, every last bit of filler, been face filled over the whole front of the property, so you can see all the bases and the columns. Look how nice the miters all line up together now, running down in with the plinth. It goes right up to the top. We re-rendered the gable because that was all bad brickwork, so if you go back to the previous videos you'll see that. So that was all rendered. Then we put a nice feature band coming off of there, decorated all the stonework. Front door and frame has also been done, and all the internal porchway there as well. So once again, another project finished to the highest standard as always, and like I say, customers really happy with everything's came out. Just to come back this morning, give everything a good jet wash, put the car charger back on the wall, and that's another job all finished. So if you like the look of this project, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.